At first I'll create few folder. It will be route, another one will be models. This one is for MongoDB database. Views, this is for our view engine, that is EJS. Config, keeping our secret key inside this config folder. Let me create another folder that will be public. This, in this public folder will store our static assets. Okay, let me delete this. We don't want it anymore. We'll at first just write app.set. We want to set the view engine. View engine is, our view engine is EJS. I'll create a file inside this route folder. The file name will be home.js, but in index we'll add only middleware and we'll set up everything, but in home we'll route our main operation like create, read, update and delete. So we'll use express router. Just write const express is equal require. This is how we can import express. Require express const router is equal express dot router. If you want to know more about express router, just search on Google router dot, not like that, just write module dot exports is equal router. We want to export router and we want to import that in our app index.js. Just write const home route is equal require full stop forward slash routes slash home. Below everything or every middleware we need to set app.use. We need to use this home route. This is the root directory. Okay, comma. Okay, if you don't understand, don't worry, I'll clear everything to you. Just stay with me. Home route. Okay, let's create a route in our home. Just write router dot get. Let's create a get request. We will have to use an callback function. There will be two parameters. First one will be request response, and this is optional. Next, respond.send. We want to send some text to the browser. Save it. Open your terminal. You can see it is automatically refreshed. Write localhost 3000. You see express router is working. Right after this forward slash, just write home. This is the home route. We need to refresh node. Just click Ctrl C to getting out of this running mode. Once again, just write node-mon. Now if I go to this localhost 3000, you see can't get. That means there is no get request here. Now if I move to home, you see Express router is working perfectly because we are using app use home. All of the home request will be come from this home router. Just click control and click here. You see this home route is gone to there. Just click control and once again press it. You see all of the requests coming from this home.js are going to this this URL. Let's delete it. Home. We are sending only text here. Let's create a EJS file so we can display our data properly. Just click new file, home.ejs. My nephew is crying. Okay, go to Google and search for EJS. There you can find EJS official website, that is ejs.co. Here you can find how to use EJS. Read all of the documents. I will use Semantic-UI for CSS framework, so we don't need to style customly. Alternative or Bootstrap, but it is the way more better than Bootstrap. I like Semantic-UI a lot. I have a video tutorial on Semantic-UI. If you don't know how to use them, you can use it. Otherwise, you can just copy my code from GitHub repository, or you can follow along with me to learn something more about Semantic-UI. Here, I'll uh, try to teach everything you need to know, the basics of Semantic-UI. Get started. Download this zip folder. Extract the zip. From here, we just need few files. First one is semantic.min.css, semantic.min.js, and this theme file. We need these three, and rest of them you can delete it. Just copy and go to desktop. Paste it inside this public folder. Paste it. In public folder, I'll create two more folder, that is JS and CSS. JS and CSS. Okay, move this semantic min.css file to CSS folder and move this themes folder to CSS folder, and this semantic.min.js file, move it to the JS folder. Okay, from ExpressJS official website, go to this static file, get started static file. Here you see how they use static file, how they generate it. Okay, read this for using the static file. Just copy this app.use express static public, copy it and paste it in your index file above this app routing, above this routing. Okay, paste it